Hi, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring in more business for you. Now, I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL, and I've put it into a third-party scanner. I use Rank Daddy for this. And we're going to look at your heading tags. Now, your main heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for on Google. The tags are made up your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now, you have more than one title tag, which confuses Google, and that's one of the reasons why you're not on page one. Also, you do not have a meta description on your website. Plus, you do not have you have too many H1 header tags and no H2 header tags. Now, your header tags are what Google looks at and the keywords that it should rank it for. And unfortunately, these are why you're not on page one. Let's see exactly where you're ranking with Google right now. I use a third-party tool for this as well. It's called SERPtrack. You can go to serptrack.io and get a free 30-day subscription and track your website. Now, I've used these keywords to see where you're ranking on Google. I use Bakersfield Tree Service, Bakersfield Tree Removal, and Bakersfield Tree Trimming. Unfortunately, you are on page 3 for all those keyword searches. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1, and I get bids for them. We can fix this. We can get you to page 1 very fast. If you could use more business, please respond to this email. Thank you so much. Have a great day.